Hi students, let's look at this question here on logarithm. So you're asked to solve for the following equations. Let's see how we can solve this problem here. Okay, so for the first part, if you have a equals to 4x, so to solve this means to solve for x, this would be ln 4x equals to 5. Now ln is actually log base of e, so you could just write this as log e equals to 4x equals to 5. Now this step is completely optional once you are proficient in it, but this would mean that this is an index, right? So this is index, so e to the power of 5 will give you 4x, so this is how we write it down. So e to the power of 5 will give us 4x, right? Or you could write 4x is equals to e to the power of 5. It's fine. So from here we change to index form, so x will be 1/4 e to the power of 5. So this is the answer for your first question. You can leave it at 1/4 e to the power of 5. E is actually a constant, so if you were to key in calculator, alpha e is actually a constant. So when you write e, we understand it's an exponential constant, right? So it's also called a Euler's constant. All right, so let's look at the second one. For b, what we're going to do is actually similarly, you're asked to solve for x, so this is x equals 16 equals to 4. So hence what you're going to do is actually just write in the natural form. So this will be x to the power of 4 is given by 16. All right, so this part here, what we're going to get is actually x is equals to plus minus 4th root, so 4th root of 16. This will give us, if you can calculate, this will be 2 or minus 2. All right, but the problem with negative 2 is that you cannot have a base of negative. X has to be positive, so the base that we have is all in positive form. So in other words, you reject this, right, as x has to be positive. So this case here, we will get log x equals to 2. All right, x equals to 2. Let's look at C. Similarly for C, ln 3x, you're asked to solve this expression here, so we're going to solve for x. Similarly, this is log e 3x. Ln is just log e, okay? So this would be, if we change it to the natural form, it will be e to the power of 6 is given by 3x. Alright, so x will be given by 1/3 e6. So this is how we do for C. Whereas for the last part, D, we're going to solve for k. So log k, 81 equals to 2. Hence, we know that this is k to the power of 2 is equals to 81. And this will be k equals to plus minus square root 81, which is 9 or negative 9. And you need to reject this because the base of a logarithm number should be positive. So in other words, k has to be positive. Hence, k is actually 9. Right, so this is how you solve your question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please do let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.